welding program. The thing that kind of got me into welding was I actually didn't even know what welding was a year ago. I didn't even know it existed. My dad was actually the one that brought it up to me about trades and about the welding program and about how good the money was before welding. I wanted to be a marine biologist. That obviously did not go through. I mean, with nowadays, I just wanted to make sure I was set for my job, and so I chose that welding was going to be the best one. Also wanted to be near water, so underwater is my main goal for the whole welding experience. It's only 11 months, so it is very much worth it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that for college, it's so easy just to come in and ask anything. You can literally ask up and walk up, ask a student. It is so easy to go to your resources around you. So I just want to let you know that there are people here for you, whether it's family or people you may not even know yet, to help you decide on what you actually want to do in life rather than just looking at money or what your parents want you to do or what your friends are out there doing. All right? Thanks.